The new Camp Nou is entering its most decisive chapter, a transformation that will redefine the future of this legendary stadium. From massive structural installations and advanced LED technology to the final stages of construction, every detail is bringing the new Camp Nou closer to reality. But the biggest challenge is still ahead: the installation of the future roof, a complex operation that will define the final chapter of this historic project. Today, we explore the latest progress, hidden details, and the ambitious plan that will complete the new Camp Nou. The Tribuna sector has now become one of the most important areas of the stadium, where the final stages of the compression ring installation are underway. According to the latest construction plans, this section requires 12 small compression ring boxes to complete the remaining gaps between the pillars. Unlike the side sector, where one large box and 10 smaller pieces were installed, the Tribuna sector follows a different configuration with 12 smaller components. This progress represents another major milestone in the transformation of Camp Nou, bringing the stadium closer to its final vision. Work continues in the Tribuna access area, where the finishing touches are creating a premium entrance for the stadium's VIP and hospitality zones. The flooring is complete, the tiling is almost finished, and the elegant stairways are giving this section the refined appearance expected from the new Camp Nou. These final details highlight the high-quality standards of the renovated stadium. The third tier continues to receive finishing and structural work, particularly around the upper levels and access areas. Work is progressing on the remaining sections of the superstructure, while finishing activities continue around the completed areas as the stadium moves closer to its next operational stage. At the same time, work around the surrounding access and circulation areas is continuing to prepare the section for its upcoming use. Concrete works continue around the south core corner and inside the second cantal lever. The concrete pump has been active in this area over the past few days, focusing mainly on the upper structural section. Workers were also seen polishing one of the concrete pillars while additional structural work continues around the corner. The surrounding area remains active with workers and equipment, indicating that these structural works are continuing steadily. In the corner area, the latest progress reveals how technology is transforming the stadium's appearance, with LED installations creating a stunning visual experience after sunset. Recent lighting tests showcase the incredible potential of these panels as the colors smoothly changed and moved across the structure, creating a dynamic atmosphere. Even with only a section illuminated, the effect was already breathtaking, giving fans a preview of how spectacular the entire stadium will look once the complete lighting system is activated. With every decorative panel equipped with this technology, the new Camp Nou is set to become not only a world-class football stadium, but also a remarkable nighttime landmark, combining modern architecture, innovation, and an unforgettable visual experience. The interior sections reveal the future commercial spaces of the new Camp Nou, where shops and visitor facilities will enhance the overall stadium experience. The nearby diamond structure in the corner area also shows steady progress, with each section gradually moving toward completion as the stadium's final vision takes shape. Barça released 19 new photos this week, and for the first time, the interior isn't a construction zone anymore. It's starting to look like a stadium. One corridor shot shows the club's blue and red running floor to ceiling, crests built into the walls, screens set into the corridor itself. The changing room area is further along than the outside work suggests. A large FCB crest spans the ceiling above a seating area that's clearly meant to be lived in, not just finished. The press room gets its own treatment too. 300 journalists with a setup positioned for post-game interviews at the far wall. But the club didn't crop out the rest. Scaffolding still visible in places, concrete still exposed in others. It's a preview, not a reveal progress, with the seams still showing. Moving to the lateral side is now showing impressive progress. especially around the diamond structure where interior walls are now being built. The area is becoming more organized as materials and machinery are being cleared, with protective barriers being installed to prepare safe access routes for fans ahead of the upcoming match. Work is also continuing on the decorative panels and LED lighting system, with workers completing final cable connections to prepare the stadium's impressive nighttime illumination. In the Gol Norte area, new interior walls are taking shape for future facilities, including hospitality spaces, restaurants, and visitor services. With each detail being completed, the lateral side section is moving closer to becoming a fully finished part of the new Camp Nou experience. The transformation of Camp Nou continues to reveal new surprises, and the Gol Norte sector is becoming another important highlight of this historic renovation. With a rare opportunity to access areas normally hidden from view, we can see the diamond structure progressing rapidly, with its exterior walls now being completed using concrete blocks and the rear section almost fully closed. Around the main Gol Norte entrance, large sections of decorative ceramic panels are already installed, creating a completely new identity for the stadium's exterior. Inside, important spaces are also taking shape, including the future cafeteria area, where the walls are completed and the glass panels have been installed. A major moment unfolds as a key structural element arrives at the Tribuna sector. A massive radial beam has been transported to the stadium, highlighting the scale and ambition of this construction phase. This huge component represents another important step toward completing the future roof structure. While painting work continues across the upper areas, workers are applying the final black coating, gradually replacing the old white surfaces and giving the structure a more modern and refined appearance. With multiple teams working simultaneously, the stadium continues to progress at an impressive pace. The combination of major structural installations and detailed finishing work shows how every element is coming together to create the new Camp Nou. And finally, the news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olympic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barça fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now, here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. The roof is worth waiting for. The completed camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. The vision of the new Camp Nou is becoming clearer with every passing day. From massive engineering achievements to groundbreaking technology and modern design, every detail is shaping the future of this legendary stadium. The journey is still unfolding, and we'll continue bringing you the latest updates as this historic transformation moves forward. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.